Hi, so Snowball. What is a snowball? Okay, Snowball is something amazing. Is that you just have to create a log and you will receive this by DHL or FedEx. Not this one. This one is too big. So Snowball, the first one is this one. Okay, it's a big box you receive. Okay, it's really very huge. A lot of noise. You know, there is all the call, so it's quite big. And you have this one. This is like integrated with intelligent, and this one. So the Snowball, if you need to transfer a large amount of data in and out, for example, you want to stay at web Amazon, maybe you choose another company like GCP or no, but you can go out or in. You can send data, for example. So the size can go to 50 terabyte to 80, and all the data are encryption with 265 byte encryption. You have TPM for BitLocker. Okay, so you will have to create a job. I will show you how to create a job on the portal. The second one is the Snowball Edge. Okay, so it's with compute for offline location. You take web services with you. So inside it you have like web services here. And it can go until 100 terabyte, and you have a Snowmobile. A Snowmobile is a truck until 100 petabyte here. So we'll see how to do the lab. First of all, I will show you some information about the small slide share that I like about the Snow Edge. Okay, so remember that. Here's the Snowball Edge, Snowmobile. So if you want to move, for example, 200 petabytes into web services, but it will take years to do that, what is the solution for that? So you can see that it can take a lot of time. If you have, for example, one per petabyte can take 22 years. So this is the three of them: Snowball, Snowball Edge, and Snowmobile. Okay, so the Snowball here. It's a root in case, run and dust resistant, okay, data encryption, and 50 terabyte, and it's a 10 gig network, okay, and it's E-Link label. So data exports, 80 terabyte Snowball SDK, S3 adapter, and HDFS import, and HEPR eligibility. Like I told you, it's a 256 encryption. Data is encrypted by the Snowball account before it is written to the Snowball appliance, and key are managed by web services, and I never write into the Snowball. Strong chain of custody, tamper resistant case, blah 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 blah. Let's go here. So you can connect to the Snowball here. Okay, so it's quite simple. You create a job, and yeah, so that's very nice. So this is the use of AWS Snowball, disaster recovery, cloud migration, data structure decommission. Okay, you don't want to keep your data, or content distribution. This is very, very nice. Customer use case, for example, S3 as a data lake, for example. This is very, very nice. Case study, collect and analyze ocean and coastal image, 60 terabyte of data per week, environment and ocean ecosystem research. Architecture before Snowball, okay, so they transfer data with many small hard drive. Just imagine, used to take weeks to months to upload data. So Snowball lets OSU migrate terabyte in days at a fraction of the cost. So here's the price, okay, so per job shipping. So you have $250 for see the shipping. It can take days to fill the device at your site. 15 days after the 10 days on site, standard S3 charge apply, and to transfer data in, of course, it's 0. After you have the Snowball Edge, so you have a complete insight. So it's like if you had a EC2 large instance. So it's intelligent. Okay, you take it with you, and you don't. You can put it offline. Okay, so here is the network here, and you can put it in a rack if you want. Okay. So Snowball key feature, S3 compatible endpoint, NFS clustering, Lambda function, of course, and faster data transfer and encryption. Okay, so this is very nice. Okay, same thing for the data migration. Snowball Edge can process data, encrypt, secure, write data directly, okay, and offer a fast and cost-effective way to ensure data can be quickly transferred and cloud, and use standard federal tool for the data transfer process. Okay. So, for example, This is something that you can do. Okay, Mercury Hospital Automobile. Use case. Offline staging, you put it on the boat, for example. IoT, local Turing compute, and local transformation. This is very, very nice. So you have some use case here. Healthcare industry, for example. This is very nice how it can help. And for example, oil and gas. Okay, so you want to migrate information, you can have here your Snowball here. This is the big one. Security here, biometric, reporting security guards, blah 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 blah. And this is some demonstration playing your job. So you go here and you can unlock the device, check the status of the Snowball here. You can get the S3 credential. You can use S3 command for that. And okay, using Cloudberry with Snowball, for example, this is very, very nice. Okay, so this is the cost here. Okay, so this is the same thing, the same cost. So you can see the cost. After you have the Snowmobile, okay, that's a very big truck. So can be maneuvered in region. So this is a huge truck. So yeah, that's quite crazy, this one. Okay, and here you have a small explanation about the data scenario. Okay, the storage here, the compute, the service available, the NFS endpoint, encryption, storage, clustering for local use, typical job lifetime, and the HEPA, PWA. Okay, so if you want to go again and see the same, here's the URL for this very nice website. And let's, I think that it's this, yeah, let's stop this video, and after we're going to see what is this storage gateway. Thank you, bye-bye.